Sweetheart, you're about to have yourself a little lynching party, huh? I might just have to put an end to you and Johnny Principal's dolls. Ever occur to the jury that anybody could have got some of my clothes and stuck them up the furnace?
We ain't buying that.
Quit that big one over there. Wait a refrigerator over here. It's almost out.
You're gonna have to sleep sometime, McCurdy.
I'm a real light sleeper, child. Anyone tries to wake me.